Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to plug multiple keyboards to one PC. So, we don't have really the limit of plugging the keyboards. Of course there is a high limit, but I don't really think that you want to plug the, for example, 20 keyboards to your one PC. So just to plug your keyboard to the PC, you just have to have the USB cable and plug your RAZER keyboard and any other keyboard. You can plug your RAZER keyboard any type with any type of connection, for example wired, wireless, Bluetooth at 200 GHz, something like that. And the second keyboard can be plugged without any regardless of the connection mode. Yeah. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time.